Hey, Dr. Jesse Jacobs, Freeform Chiropractic. We're here at Parker University and we're about to deliver a talk to about 25, 30 students about their path to ownership, independent contractorship. We're going over archetypes, their personality types, and what's going to resonate the best with them. And we are here to deliver some fire to our students so they could have a clear path towards success when they graduate from Parker University.
We go to school, we learn how to diagnose, we learn how to adjust, we learn how to treat, get people better. So our profession is in a really good position to move forward. People are praying to find you. They know when they go to a chiropractor that you actually are solving the problem. Right now, our healthcare system is a symptom management system. It is not healthcare, it is sick care. Can we all agree? Raise your hand if you agree if it's a sick care system. Now, sick care system is needed to put out fires and save lives. But how do you rebuild? How do you rebuild that house that just burnt down? That's when chiropractic comes into the fold. And I highly recommend everybody go through this path initially. Okay, you gotta learn how to tend to your crop. You gotta learn how to be clinically excellent.
All right, we just finished our Parker University talk, talking about owning their path, the next generation playbook for students who are about to graduate. We had amazing questions, insight. We had questions about what was independent contractorship, what's the difference between ownership and independent contractorship, what is a franchise, why is that better, why is it worse? There were some awesome questions. One thing that I loved was that we had a lot of students here that already had a vision of what they wanted, and they were trying to figure out the next steps to achieve that vision. So we went through that, had some really cool, intimate conversations, and I'm looking forward to the next talk here at Parker University.